What do you like about Olympus products in general? Are there any features that are outstanding to you?
I can say that there are three main features of Olympus products in the context of US. Of course, there's the quality of products is very high. It allows us to feel comfortable with procedures performance. And of course, the materials which the needles are made from, this is very important to have good tools to perform US guided biopsy. And also the structure of the needle, because it's unique. Like for example, the shed of the needle, it gives us a chance to perform few passes without a needle deformation, especially in the context of difficult location and difficult biopsy performance in terms of site of the biopsy.
What do you like about the EasyShot 3 Plus needle?
The most what I like in EasyShot 3 Plus needles is the quality of this needle, of course, the performance, the comfort this needle is giving me during the US guided biopsy performance, but also the final result for the patient. So in the most of cases, those needles are able to give us sufficient tissue for establishing the diagnosis for the patient. And we, of course, can use them for different purposes, but especially when the biopsy is difficult, challenging, where we need to perform it, for example, in gastric pharynx or the second portion of the duodenum for small lesions where the access to the lesion is challenging, so we can apply those needles.
Is there anything you dislike?
We do not have problems with a pathological assessment. In some cases, maybe so. Maybe it could change. But when it comes to the tip of the needle, it's very sharp, so we do not have any challenges to go into the lesion, especially when the site is challenging or there is a stiff tissue. So the needle design is very nice and it allows us to perform the biopsy very comfortable.
What are the 3 most important features to you when using EUS needles?
So 3 features I look for in the needle design is the needle tip. It should be sharp and allow us to go to the needle without any problem. Of course, the needle design, the tip design actually, allowing us to obtain sufficient tissue to establish the diagnosis for the patient. The structure and the quality of the needle performance, because during the biopsy, we need to feel comfortable with the movements of the needle, of the handle, to perform it slightly, without any blockade, without any problems during the puncture, because it's really important.
Are there any experiences that you had with Olympus service and customer support?
So my experience with customer support and service is amazing, because I can always count on the service and staff from Olympus. They are very helpful in all situations. They always can support us in difficult situations. When we are struggling with some technical aspects to, for example, help in preset settings, in helps of performance of procedures, even organizing some nice courses for our doctors to support them and to teach them. We can always count on Olympus company, so that's the most amazing.